Okay, first class. This week, our story for English is Unit 12, page 48, and the story is Sun, Moon and Stars. Now read along with me. The world we live in is round like a ball. It spins around once a day. It does not stop spinning. The sun shines on us in Ireland when it is daytime. At night time, Ireland turns away from the sun. Then the sky is dark. When it is daytime in Ireland, it is night time in Australia. When it is night time in Ireland, the sun shines on Australia. At night, the stars and the moon can be seen in the sky. The sun is a star. Some people go to the moon and back for rocks. They take rocks back. We find out a lot from these rocks. Now, if you have a look at the next page, on page 49, they're saying, look at the picture and answer true or false. Now, some of the information is in the story, but some of it's actually in the picture. Now, the first question, it says, there are 10 planets, true or false? Well, actually, nowadays we don't really call Mercury a planet, but because they put it in here, we're going to. Just count your planets. Are there 10, true or false? The sun is not a planet, true or false? Tells you what the sun is over here. Earth has a ring around it. Here's Woody for a read. The Earth has a ring around it. Well, does it? Have a look at the picture. Number 4. The red planet is called Mars. Well, have a look. What colour is Mars in the picture? Number 5. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Well, what do you think? Is it nearest to the sun? I think it might be. Number 6. Saturn is nearer to the sun than Earth. Have a look and see. Activity B. Write the correct answer. So they've given you 4 choices and you've got to fill in the word that's missing. The word is. So is it small, round, long or tall? I bet you'll know the answer to this one. Turning to the next page, so now we're on page 50. Ring the correct word for each picture. Now they've only given you 2 choices and this is quite simple, but sound out the word so you'll know. Activity B, write the correct ending for each word. Again, they've given you 2 choices, only one is correct. Activity C, write yes or no. Have a look at the pictures, the answers are there. And finally on page 51, Activity A, write these sentences correctly. Now this is going back to last week where we had to put in capital letters, and a lot of the capital letters are missing here, so be careful. Activity B, ring the mistakes. Again, they've left out capital letters, so ring the places where they've left out capital letters. And activity C, write a full stop or a question mark. So they've left out everything at the end. Is it a question or does it just need a full stop?